So before making a chain, we need a slip knot. I will show you 2 easy tricks that are perfect for beginners. You can use whichever method feels easier for you. Now let's make the chain stitch. Wrap the yarn around your finger. Now wrap the yarn over the hook and pull through the loop. Let's do it again. Each time you yarn over and pull through, it creates one chain. Here, I made 10 chains. That's it for today's video. Now practice by making more chains. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.